The Chevy Rescue has been rescued.
Chevy Rescue has been rescued, yeah. Today is the day that Pete gets his truck back. Yay! So we're done. The month or so ago when we received it, a little bit longer, we got it just before Christmas. But it's been done 2 weeks while we've been waiting in here. Because Pete's been busy and hasn't been able to get his truck back. And
weather's been
been atrocious. Yeah. I mean, big coats and woolly hats and everything else. The weather is still atrocious, but today it's actually out. Dry. Can't believe it.
Anyway, very fresh.
Very fresh. Had to defrost the car this morning. It's probably not ideal to get your big V8 truck back, weather-wise, but hey, it's done. So we're going to do a quick walk around now what we've done. So I think we went through cooling, steering, stopping, and then we had a little bit of tidying up and done some other stuff. So underneath here, big major tidying up job. Just tidying up all the coil leads and the wiring and everything else, just to make it all like nice and neat. The alternator wire ran all underneath here and with a bit of a rat's nest.
We got engine back in square.
Cole put the engine back in square, yeah. So that's all nice. Obviously a brand new radiator to sort the cooling issue.
Pipes.
Brand new silicone hoses as well, with a little bit bigger diameters for the ins and outs of the radiator. Cole upgraded all the fuel system. So we've got electric fuel pump underneath and obviously a nice
King
filter instead of one of them horrible plastic things that were sat on top of manifold. Tightened up the exhaust manifold because that was the first thing that Pete was concerned about, were a noisome exhaust, so that's all done. Cole's obviously updated the brake system as well. The system's all actually from a Focus ST, but it had a big audible plastic bottle on it that Cole's then got rid of and manufactured that vessel in-house to keep all the brake fluid in.
It seemed fitting with Pete's job.
Yes.
Because there's a pipe fitter.
Yeah, so Pete's...
I know he'll be cringing in his grave when he looks at that.
Yeah, he looks at welding of that thing. Oh, what on earth's that? But we've pinched some bits from Pete's workshop to make that, which is, again, it's fitting of what we've done. Outside, we've done very little, really.
We would have liked to see the bumper back to chrome.
Yeah, it needs going back to chrome, but that's up to him. We won't go in too far. We have put brand new headlights in, so these are LED ones as opposed to just normal bulbs. But we had to do that because it didn't have any headlights at all when I rewired out front. So, yeah. The main addition to the outside, or the only addition to the outside, is Cole's done full custom signage job on the side. So that's Pete's business. He doesn't know about that bit, so it's a proper little...
It was my first attempt at sign writing.
First attempt at sign writing with purpose and made it look old. I think Cole's done an absolutely stunning job. Cole's the one who'll be like, oh, it could be a little bit better. And he'd have done it 10 times if we'd have let him. And he'd have rubbed it out and started again and rubbed it out and started again, wouldn't you? But he's perfect. It's fitting with car. The colour that is matched goes perfectly with what was already on the back of the Chevy. So it looks like it was done at the same time, which is a really nice touch. And then the other treat that I've done for him, that he don't know about, is I've carpet lined the full truck. It's obviously got rubber mats in from where it's been mucky, but...
And his handbrake's in.
Yeah, moved his handbrake as well, yeah, because that was between the passenger side person's legs for whatever... Yeah, which is the weird and wonderful thing. I have no idea why that was like that. Behind this carpet cover is the power steering, electric motor. So it had no power steering before, which was, again, horrendous. You had to have arms like Popeye to move the thing about, which now it's just drivable. Drivable. We have made this truck drivable. As you've seen in his driving video, I were happy to jump in this with my 8-year-old daughter, and we just drove it for an hour non-stop, and there were no problems with it whatsoever, and I'd be confident to do that. And the main thing is that I'll hopefully give Pete his confidence to do that as well, because he was petrified of it before. Didn't want to take it anywhere, didn't want to drive it anywhere. because he was scared at brakes and he was scared that it were going to break down, and he was didn't like it. He's bought the truck of his dreams, upgraded it so it was more usable, and then just did not like it. But hopefully, in the next bit of the video when Pete arrives, we'll find out he loves it to bits and is excited to drive it.
Hopefully.
Hopefully. This is Pete.
Morning.
That's his truck and he's getting it back today. Are you excited?
I am, yeah.
It's been a long road, hasn't
Finally.
it? Finally, yeah. So we've had it for a short period of time compared to the amount of time that you've not had the truck. But when you finally got it back, you were scared to death of it, weren't you?
Yeah.
Basically. So...
Well, it wasn't drivable, really.
No. So as we've said on his YouTube, we've done the cooling, done the steering, done the brakes, and a few other titivations as we've done. Only a couple of surprises as well.
Yeah.
One from me, one from Carl. And basically made it a genuinely driving vehicle that I'm happy that you could just go now. So I'm happy with it because I'm happy that I can put Lottie in it and just go. So, right, the big reveal. Go on then, Carl, open door.
Oh, spot on. Spot on.
So that's your little treat from Colin.
Spot on. Love it.
And if you have a look inside, you get the treat from me. All carpet lined out.
I can't see, mate, my glasses.
Didn't think your eyesight was that bad.
Very bad, mate.
But yeah, so it's now got working brakes. It starts, it stops. It doesn't overheat. And you got power steering. And a working truck.
So I don't have to check when I've driven it.
You don't have to check when you've done. Underneath here. Transformed to the point where you can now happily open your bonnet at a truck, at a show, and show off that you've got a mega cool V8 engine, not a thing that's been thrown in from 20 yards.
That's tidy.
No overheating, no issues fueling wise. I said we've done about 3 hours driving in it at different points, and it's never had a wobble.
Spot on.
Yeah.
What it says on tin.
Yeah, it's a working truck, working basic truck that you can now enjoy and go to shows, and you might even get as far to show your mum and dad in it now because you've never actually got that far, did you?
Well, as I can get on.
Well, yeah, if we get on, it'd be a bonus.
No, spot on, mate.
No problem.
Cool. Cheers.
Yeah, happy.
I am, yeah.
It's been a long road on it.
I'm not driving it.
Also got you a little treat from Phil, the photographer.
All right. Oh, nice one. That's awesome.
So Warren, as other photographers, done the actual framing and the print.
Yeah.
But it's one of Phil's pictures that we took. There's loads of cool pictures like that for you as well, which we'll send you.
Spot on.
And start you on your Hot Wheels obsession. And a hoodie and a t-shirt from us as well.
Thank you very much.
You're now part of the clan. And you can get to enjoy it because I've fallen in love with it and I I enjoy it. That's fine next year. Well, you have to get it back to us, Pete. So I can have a go. But no, we're happy with it. We're happy with it. We're happy that
That's
you'll
good
be able
enough
to
for
just
me.
enjoy it. Cool.
Yeah, spot on. Thank you.
They're doing that.